Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 16th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir had a great day today. We are up $1.55. That's 5.72%. We closed at 28.63. Post-market, we seem to be up by 8 cents, 0.28% at 28.71. What did happen? So we have a nice green candle today. So remember, yesterday we mentioned that we had two resistance. We had this second level channel resistance, and we also had this resistance at 27.50. And we broke outside of these two resistance. Boom, nice big green candle, little wick at the bottom, little wick at the top, so the same size of wick. And now we are getting close to a new resistance that I had to put there at 29. So 29 has been in use. If you look at it here, it has been in use on December 23rd, December 7th, and so on. It has been used in the past. And now it might be used again. We'll have to see if the stock slows down around 29 or maybe crosses 29 and then comes back a little bit on it as a support, as a little pause. Or if the stock is really powerful, it can just power through. And our target is 31 bucks, which is the upper resistance of this overall big bullish channel that we were in since, I'm going to say, since May 11th of this year. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just for fun. So like I told you yesterday, I had put an alert right here. I put an alert on the 1 hour chart, and this morning at 9:30, basically it beeped. So I look at the stock and it crossed this 27.50. It crossed this 27.50 and was really strong. So we had a breakout. So it broke out and kept going on. So the first hour was really strong. Look at the volume here that we had. 1 million share exchange. On average, it's 200,000 shares. So 5 times the volume. So pretty strong here. And then it continued. It did not even pull back. So after the first hour, the stock continued to go higher, stabilized horizontally, and then kept going on. The stock is really strong. What can I say? Indicators, nothing special here. Everything is all positive, of course. Let's go to the daily chart. So in terms of indicators, stochastic at 96.88. So yes, super strong. Look at RSI. RSI is showing a nice little move up above the resistance that we have had around here in terms of the strength of the stock. So this is not exactly replicating what the stock is doing. It's distilling the force of the stock and showing a graph of it. So RSI is really a graph of the strength of the stock, the relative strength. So it's nice to see this going up. MACD, which crossed over bearish just for one day, is back stronger. And look at DMI here. Look at DMI. It's going almost vertical here. So fantastic day. Watch out for 29 and target is 31. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. I hope you made some money today, even if it's just on paper. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.